Welcome to the Same Guy Golf Channel. We are in the middle of a match between Dan and I down here at Sink Valley. We're heading to the back nine. Quick and painless, right to the tee box. Let's go. Missed the car, hit the road. Ooh. Right side. Good there.
New putter.
Double for me, bogey for Dan. Dan is 17 up. Oh wait, no, 1 up.
Congratulations.
Oh, no. That's in the water. That's it.
That's much better. Hold on, Mally. There we go. It's the lawmakers making law. Oh, there's a dandy too.
Yeah, a little short, but it'll be alright. Oh, dude, I had the wrong club. There was no way I was even getting it, so. Is that me closer to us? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, go in for him. Great bogey. Woo! Bogey for Dan, double bogey for me. Dan is up 2.
There you go. Fly ball, deep left center.
There you go, Hoss.
You guys sound like that place. Oh, look at that. That's amazing.
Just under 140. No, just short. Ooh.
Oh, why would it? Why would it? I just don't understand why it didn't. I hit it hard enough to go in, it just didn't. I don't understand why. Why would it? Alright, double bogey, Matt. You got 6 putts to win. Alright, 6 putts. Here we go. Oh boy, hit a house. Good putt.
Why would it?
Why would it?
Bogey for me, double for Dan. Dan is 1 up.
Oh, he did. Man.
Like the wind.
Just picking that tee up. Daddy
Yeah,
right.
picking that tee up like I own it.
Daddy right.
Good ball.
Oh, so is
Hold
this
it.
guy.
Yeah, a little bit. Little pulley too, huh?
Yeah. Good try, bud.
Another fine putt by Dave Garner.
Oh, good
chip.
Another great effort.
It's going to be a little bit of a break. Oh. Hit it. That's it.
Oh. Oh, good leaf. That was a good leaf right there.
So
If you're coming to play Sinking Valley, bring a broom.
Should we give him to Matt?
Ew. Oh, that's an inside the friend zone. We're good. That's good right there. We'll see. Yep, it was good. See, I told you. Bogey for Dan, par for me. We're all square. All square. Oh. Square. Why? Would you swing the club? Poop! Oh, great ball.